Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make sushi. I got some frozen Atlantic salmon that's already been thawed. So the first thing to do, I'm gonna fry all this salmon pieces. I'm gonna just salt the salmon a little bit, not too much. I'm using olive oil, just a couple teaspoon of this. Yeah, about 3 minutes on each side. I'm gonna cover with this plastic thing right here, plastic cover, so that you don't have oil splatter all over the place. So alright, let's flip to the other side. Alright, since it's done and just remove it, I'm gonna do I got 4 more pieces to fry. Good, looks good. I'm going to put a little more oil in. Put the cover on so that the oil won't be splashing all over the place. Yep, this is done. I'm going to let it cool down for a few minutes. Okay, when I bought this salmon right here, it's already have skin on. They didn't fillet the skin, so I just removed the skin. Yeah, the skin is really tasty. Don't throw it away. But for this sushi, we don't need the skin. Okay, take a fork and kind of just break down the pieces into small pieces. Just take the fork. Just break it down to small pieces. I got here some small cucumber. It's gonna chop this up into small pieces. Cut in half. I cut in half again, and just into like small pieces like this, and then just put into the salmon. We're gonna do let's see, fire this cucumber. 2 jalapeno pepper right here. Just it's the same thing. Cut like the cucumber, the small pieces. If you don't want a lot of spiciness, just remove the seed. But I'm like the spiciness. I'm gonna put all the seed and everything in there. And to this, I'm gonna use the mayonnaise, Hellman real mayonnaise. Also put a little bit since we ran out of sriracha. Right, normally I would put sriracha in here, but sriracha is hard to find now. It's the short supply of sriracha. You could use chili garlic sauce for spiciness. I just put a couple scoop of mayonnaise right here, maybe 2, 3 of this big tablespoon here, and depending on how spiciness you want, just put I'm gonna put like 3. I'll make it 4 teaspoons of this. Mix it together really good. Well, it tastes, give a little taste. It's good already. Very good. All right. All right, I have a pot of rice right here. It's still hot. All right, I'm gonna put this in the bowl. With a spatula, try to break up the clumps as much as possible. Do like this. Next thing to go in there, I have rice seasoning. You can buy this from Asian store right here. So just rice seasoning. This is good right here to put it. So this is contain, what is it? Contain sesame seed, bonito, sugar, salt, seaweed, a lot of stuff in here. Bonito in there. Bonito is like from those bonito tuna. So make the rice really yummy. I put a lot here. All right. And the next thing to go in there here is the roasted black sesame seed. And the last thing go in there will be the rice vinegar. So rice vinegar, Marukan brand rice vinegar. So just buy that from the Asian store. I'm just put it in maybe a quarter of a cup in here. That's gonna add a sourness to the rice. It's about a quarter of a cup of rice vinegar. Just mix it. All right, the rice is done. The salmon is done. So now we're gonna put it together. I got some seaweed right here. The seaweed to make sushi, nori, as in that. Yakinori, let's call it. So you can buy that from Asian store too. Each package right here got about 8 pieces of seaweed in there. It's about $3-4, so you can buy that too. And let's roll this up. I like to scoop up a little bit of rice right here and just put right here. You can use your hand too if you want to, but I just use a spatula here. Spread it like that. I'm not gonna put toward the end right here. Just leave a little bit toward the end there. Don't put any rice on there. All right. Now just put the salmon on. Just add the salmon as much as you want. You want your avocado? Gonna put some avocado on it. I make this all the time and my kids really love it. So it's very healthy. Instead of the reason I fry the salmon, because you know, it's not good to eat raw seafood anyway, so it's better to fry it first. So we got it here. All I need to do is just roll it up. Just cut it in half. Yeah, this is very yummy. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of ponzu sauce in here.
You're gonna put what?
ponzu sauce. A little bit ponzu sauce. Or you can use soy sauce too, and a little bit of wasabi if you want spiciness. Wasabi is really really spiciness. And just stir it a little bit. There. Dip into that. Mmm. 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 Very good. Mmm. 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 This is good. So this is very easy to make a sushi. I just buy frozen salmon from. We got it from a Walmart, and I just fry the salmon, and then I make sushi rice right there. I put rice seasoning, roasted black sesame seed, rice vinegar. It's about a quarter of a cup rice vinegar to the rice, and mix it all up, and using the seaweed, roll it up. That's it. It's easy to make and very delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. Add the salmon as much as you want. Here, any avocado.